for staying with us. In fact, I've met this gentleman on other platforms.
Okay.
Sure. I like the way they communicate. I've been
yes.
I look at them, their age. It's likely I might be older than all of them. I look at them, I look into the future. Now, maybe someone will say, when these people, when they become the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, now we also be the party banner that you also be. Are we likely to see a change?
Okay.
As compared to now. Anytime I meet youth, now do not try to defend in your mind. I say we are defensible. Because say a papa there, not just or no back or be worse than what is happening now.
Sure.
I am looking at the time I be youth on be very honest, speak to the issues. Now can say it doesn't matter say your party. Me despite there's one person in MPP I like so much. Ken, we fine be him honesty dealing rudely with Nikrofo. I like him for that, and that is the way we want to go. In fact, this Israel we need this Israel. I said we have another can we need. I think say we should go beyond that. Issues of Galamsey there. I am not sure say any party be our Ghana how bet me so on no. I don't know. I don't know. From where I sit as a lecturer, I think about 2 years ago we were ready to go out on strike.
Yes.
All because of Galamsey issue. I mean, say be a politician, so no name the real impact, the real effect of Galamsey there, and I'm not sure they know because where they sit directly, na ya na nkomo papa.
Okay.
Yeah, I am not sure say as at now MPB neba eti amanse westa menua ye kan menya sure say MPB ba beto ho. Onya di MP a ebia na ye na makura no de place. Asem bi okọ ankobra me kan ya. Me ehọ na mefi.
Okay.
Ama ko febu a menya sure say na ye na ma tell emble. Nti all
Who sends so much?
Oh,
no free ho.
Omo ba ho.
Ba mo ntina ho.
Me name say wife there.
What you permanent.
Once a one back.
Okay.
No man cobra, so no man cobra.
Oh, it should be on no.
I clash gyro.
No,
make us no. I know I'm a Kofi. He's a very good person. He's leading a project very fantastic in education. I am not saying say bia, but make us say a ban of Galamsey issues na. E be a sympathy be ne bi omunyama ya yete ho ni ntem ya mu omo kakra. But a ban the real effect na dia enkom. And most of these things that we normally see now party be abani as yebeko. And when MPP was in power, they cannot tell us that they were not the people leading. You see, I was surprised. I was surprised. Say Teko was saying, say MPP ni bi Teko, we are branching myself. In fact, I don't know if I'm being hard on you. If I'm hard, I'm sorry for. But let's be honest. And you could have admitted, and papa. So we are hoping certain things will change. Because if you sit to tell us MPP for Anyebia, please, I don't want us to go there. I'm not attacking you personally. Please, we are branching to Messero. Because it will be on record. That should be.
Yes.
It will come against you, say you were lying. Let's be honest with issues. Yes, I know so party as somehow say be a comment, but sometimes you can speak to the truth. Until one thing, I'm not sure say we able to make action and say NDC phone him. After all, the president has admitted.
Sure.
Admitting is not enough. You see, so we are so much passionate about Ghana. Most of the things that Ron say and you may do say. You see, for me, I want to who say people lied about Rollins because in your man no can say me if I have the power, maybe I would have done worse than what Rollins did.
Okay.
Because we had the ill. I say, well, I don't benefit from any of it.
Yeah.
Me the answer but me as near to America. Into me first said, you man me ye no bitty baby. If I have the power, I may either kill, I may either do certain things, because Papa anything more than. But trust me, our politicians are taking us for granted. I have said it time and over. Say, Ghana politicians no near ready say they'll stop Galamsey. They'll fight it. After all, the president have come to accept to say he cannot deny the fact to send him. I will applaud him for that. But the question I want to ask is, if you know them, what are you doing? So when you say, what are you doing? It is not enough just to say, oh, in the year then. That's not what we are looking at. You see, we are looking at a position. Our reflection will be our orientation towards actions. And yes, idea it just becomes a mere thinking. We are looking, say the president will sit. No, be biala winning say. Okay, you see, we have Ghana history now. The best time of Ghana development, a time na leader no, a bit radical, a bit autocratic, a bit senior bekana.
Yes.
In Nkrumah time, every 12 o'clock, Nkrumah will come and announce and sack people. And you feel na
yes, you shim na yenyanto basi any ade
to sanitize the system. Rories became junior Jesus. Why? Because people felt to say at least. And you can see, say, Ghana better development thing now was at that time, and now Nkrumah, and we praise, we didn't quite say, I can't was in China, not your person, I'm looking for a president who will be like that.
Okay.
And can ye, no, so I'm part, meaning say, Kofinia may be, and then you can't kill, and when a group off. Not Ghana form who said, no, at least a new beer, no willingness, no commitment, and yes, I never hear me talking, it becomes the usual talking now. Yes, I know our president is a good communicator. And until about communication there, he will speak.
Okay.
All throughout studies and research will tell you say your boka in mining than the money that you are receiving. In terms of GDP there, gold is ikano eso. But a bano development, economic development, this money it is giving us negative 11% of economic development. Sikane in terms of GDP, say cash in but the contribution to our development is negative 11.
Our form.
Negative 11. Okay, say our form as negative 11 because the cost of repairing the effect in our is more than what we are earning from it. You can't quantify.
So how now no sika e de be solve no.
It's more than sika. In sase asay, in su asay, health wise. You cannot. Your countries bebre ya go do mo de kwa man so koton no. Far less than the Ghana deco, but they have developed more than Ghana.
Okay.
It also say we can do without the kind of mining that we are doing now. We can. It's only because people are benefiting and they are not ready to let it go. Me from the way I see things, e be pa say obeka say Galamsey ebejai. Because we be oil deep into Galamsey will never stop. So we man alternative like ejuma be na man. Ejuma be na man obi Galamsey. My course school ni na to my terminal with my terminal degree. I can tuya meje no. What the man will be a one C class mo Galamsey awanye. Inti ejuma ben na be ma Galamsey ni a. Obeka so say menya say ejuma we nti no. Me jai Galamsey na kwa say ejuma. Ejuma ben. Is it lectureship and a professorship? Na me professor ko say. And if you want to go the nice you know mon kasa na ye hwe so mbeja ya trust me it will never incident.
See no mo ye ne boko no emwa.
It will never happen. Martina priest here for 6 years.
Okay.
Until for Galamsey issues I know. I have been around areas. Galamsey ni ben ebe ka cho say juma bosome and na say dey obetumanya 50,000. Obema no so onko ye nkoko. And I say onko ye fu no to obejai no akoye nkoko nkete. No human being
me njon no minimum bi o ka che me say saba be bia adwuma no se bosu we twa nka 5,000 kra no onya Galamsey nko ye say adwuma no
5,000 me say ene bia na che say 5,000 ne bia na bia nkete fo ne bi but obi abos
why ya ankasa o ye
dey obetumi nya 50,000 na so nya no nko ye de nkoko nkete no nko dofu would ni kosi lecture room so when the onko school crowd the onko ye lecturer crowd poni man akatua meje crowd onye. The kind of approach I use for me, it will not help. we need somebody who will be radical. Seriously. And yes, oh, you know, Monkasa na ye. For me, that's the only way to go. For me, that is the only way to go. Because it ends. It has been there since. And intensified because now your tools are able to me as can be bamboo. Into so big Galamsey say it will never happen. And then see. For me, I believe we need to be radical with our approach. You can intensify. Galamsey ni bend or ye Galamsey ni say ebesensu no na pabu. Come on. But the say the people who claim to be fighting Galamsey, they are benefiting. I remember a typical example. Why not? Bank of Ghana ye nyina ho na ye sikasi. No akwa to say an robber bi age na ho. Area Bank of Ghana sika. No the catchings oh we dey meso say ye nyina ye sika. To the fagu ho na ye nyina the be Ghana ho bra. An robber na dey straight away they shoot and kill.
Yeah, sure.
Then to no be our factory Gina Forest mu to Galamsey they was say ye kan che no factory into one ne nkokasa because he was sent by somebody in power. Minister bi
so say semra nti.
Emra be. Na an robber no nyina ne.
Nsi most na an robber na de ma omo on say police ni komu a ne de so kwa arrest ni pa no. Untimi ko kwa na asane tu agu ni so. But say bia onu mo ye na adwin so de ntokwa be hia wa na so de ntokwa hia no.
I will move to Gina Forest. What did they do?
Say be our police no ba omo tutu mo.
We have people protecting them. And then it also say fighting Galamsey na yayedi. And it is difficult for our political leaders because yes, omo no mo ye. Inti yemfa say advantage no akọ. I'm not saying 7 years to Galamsey. Now akọ man the boss, obekwa na the boss na Gina ho ya. The only thing you just speak and come back and come and complain. And no one is. So we are looking for somebody who be a bit radical with the fight of Galamsey.
And GDA say emrate we betima nya obisa. Because we all know say MPP na ko 9 this year ba.
No na be ye din no. I don't know. I have only one solution. It takes all of us to fight Galamsey. We can hurt the economy. Say if you don't see you see the reason why at the time when the lecturers wanted to go on strike, because it is us. It is about us.
Wodi mo kra mo die ya ba mu na nkrofo se mo kra na se magumu se mama aben because yen nanim se yekoto abai mo sori ye mo institutions ni mo nyina mo sori ye e ba ne sen because ye gidi se nka tro so a bedru sa abai a e bi anka ban nka yahudi ye mo pese mo kan
the powers that be inti en America no sanka e benya a week a driver for unko, a teacher for unko. Enough is enough. Maybe you see when Brian Champon, maybe I don't know for a reason when he wanted to buy a hotel.
Yes,
it is the same approach that we Ghanaians use. Oh no, can't not say so can't we go the same approach? Let's be hard on them. Now yes, you get people defending them. Let's be hard on them. The only way to stop Galamsey is the radical way. Let's be hard on them. I'm not saying we should go and kill, but I think that approach. Say your mamu it be a week. If you don't see this, maybe this is what you. Maybe that's the only way. Then yes, I never the kasa way there. I'm not telling you here. Learning communication. I'm very sure say they'll be able to convince Ghanaians. So yes, until we thank the president, say we're admitting.
Okay.
Admitting it is not enough. It doesn't stop Galamsey. We want to see the action. We want to see the president.
Okay.
He has all the powers. Because at least it's a parliament. He has all the powers to take any decision. Biala, if he say at least on Kobe.
Yes.
Inti onye gidi onye buga for me. In a way, non-sanitized system, no, so that those who come after, at least they can follow it.
Matse medase dog di no was on the enkoni buga. Udi senior di esi